Hi, welcome to Herbadics. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity for its potential health benefits and simplicity. The 16-8 intermittent fasting is an effective weight loss method that involves an 8-hour eating window and a 16-hour fasting period. But how does it work? During the 16-hour fasting period, your body depletes its glycogen and begins to burn fat for energy. This state, known as ketosis, can lead to increased fat burning and weight loss. Furthermore, intermittent fasting may also help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and support cellular repair processes called autophagy. Now you might be wondering, what can I consume during the fasting period? While fasting, staying hydrated by drinking water, tea, and black coffee is important. These zero-calorie beverages can help curb hunger and keep you feeling energized throughout the fasting window. Of course, it's normal to feel a little hungry, especially in the first few days. When the eating window arrives, it's essential to make nutritious food choices to support your overall health and well-being. Focus on incorporating whole foods such as lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Eating nutritious balanced meals can help fuel your body and prevent overeating during the feeding window. It's crucial to listen to your body and adjust the fasting window to suit your lifestyle and needs. If you're new to intermittent fasting, consider starting with a slightly shorter fasting period and gradually increasing it as you become more comfortable. Keep in mind that intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. So it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting intermittent fasting. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.